Hello and welcome to Courts Today by Live Law. I am your host Urvashi Chauhan, here to keep you informed with the latest and most important updates from the legal world. First, as usual, we will cover the top headlines followed by an in-depth look at each major update. The Competition Commission of India has barred WhatsApp from sharing users' data with Meta companies for advertising purposes and has also imposed a penalty of 213 crores. The Supreme Court has granted anticipatory bail to Malayalam actor Siddique in the rape case today. CJI Sanjiv Khanna has said that amidst the Delhi severe air pollution, lawyers can appear online for hearings. The Madras High Court has restrained grant of award in MS Subbulakshmi's name to musician T.M. Krishna. In the Savarkar Defamation case, a Pune court has ordered personal appearance of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on 2nd December. The Madras High Court has suggested bringing in statutory body to regulate church properties and sought centres stand on the same. The Supreme Court has asked Sukhbir, Badal and Bikram Majithia to consider expressing remorse for the remarks on Justice Ranjit Singh. And the Delhi High Court has issued summons in ANI's copyright infringement suit against OpenAI's ChatGPT. The Competition Commission of India has imposed a penalty of 213 crores on Meta for abusing its dominant position. This relates to how WhatsApp's 2021 privacy policy was implemented and how user data was collected and shared with other Meta companies. Starting from January 2021, WhatsApp notified users about updates to its terms of service and privacy policies. The notification stated that effective from February 2021, in order to continue using WhatsApp, users would have to accept these terms, which included expanding the scope of data collection as well as mandatory data sharing with Meta companies. Under the previous privacy policy, WhatsApp users were given the option to decide whether they wanted to share their data with Facebook. However, with the latest policy update in 2021, WhatsApp made data sharing with Meta mandatory for all users. As a result, users had to accept the new terms. In March 2021, the Competition Commission of India began looking into WhatsApp's this updated privacy policy. In this case, the Commission has identified two relevant markets: OTT messaging apps on smartphones and online display advertising. Meta, through WhatsApp, was found to dominate the OTT messaging apps market in India. Additionally, Meta was also found to hold a leading position in online display advertising compared to its competitors. The Commission has concluded that the 2021 privacy update by WhatsApp on a take-it-or-leave-it basis constitutes an imposition of unfair condition under the Act, as it compels all users to accept the terms without any opt-out. Given the network effects and lack of effective alternatives, the 2021 update forces users to comply, undermining their autonomy and constitutes an abuse of Meta's dominant position. Accordingly, the Commission found that Meta, through WhatsApp, has contravened the Act. The Commission also issued cease and desist directions and also directed Meta and WhatsApp to implement certain behavioral remedies within a defined time frame. The Supreme Court has today granted anticipatory bail to prominent Malayalam actor Siddique in a rape case registered against him based on allegations levelled by a young actress. After the publication of Justice Hima Committee report regarding exploitations faced by women in Malayalam cinema, the woman actress in this case made public allegations that Siddique sexually exploited her in the year 2016 when she met him in a hotel room after he offered her opportunities in the film industry. Further, she lodged an FIR for rape and criminal intimidation. In September, the Kerala High Court had dismissed Siddique's petition seeking anticipatory bail, observing that the materials on record indicated his prima facie involvement in the crime. Against this, he approached the Supreme Court in an SLP. The Supreme Court first granted him interim anticipatory bail and then last month extended it for 2 more weeks. Siddique's counsel, senior advocate Mukul Rohtagi, stated that he was an office bearer of the Association of Malayalam Movie Actors. And the complainant in this case was a member of the Women in Cinema Collective, and there is some friction between these two organizations, as a consequence of which the rape case was filed. He argued that the complainant was consistently improving her versions, raising questions about her credibility. State's counsel, senior advocate Ranjit Kumar, said that the custodial interrogation of the accused is necessary to get details about his social media accounts. Advocate Vrinda Grover, appearing for the complainant, argued that Siddique had initiated contact with her in 2014 by liking her photos and sending messages describing it as grooming. In 2016, Siddique invited her to a preview and later took her to the Mascot Hotel, where he allegedly raped her. Addressing the 8-year delay in filing the complaint, Grover explained that the complainant gained the courage to act only after Justice Hima Committee report and Kerala High Court's intervention. When Justice Trivedi remarked that she was bold enough to post on Facebook, Grover responded that coming forward with a rape complaint requires immense courage for any woman. Today, the bench of Justices Bela Trivedi and Satish Chandra Sharma granted him relief and made his interim anticipatory bail obsolete. The relief has been granted subject to the condition that Siddique should deposit the passport before the trial court and shall cooperate with the investigation. Amidst the alarmingly severe air quality in Delhi, Chief Justice of India Sanjiv Khanna has said that lawyers will have the option of appearing online. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta had requested for the court itself to go online instead of options. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal, the president of Supreme Court Bar Association, had requested that the lawyers be allowed to appear online amidst Delhi's air pollution, which he said was getting out of control. Sibal requested that the other courts and tribunals in Delhi also be sent the same message. Also, senior advocate Gopal Sankaranarayan stated that around 10,000 lawyers come to the court daily in their vehicles apart from their clerks, who also use personal vehicles oftenly. Despite the request, CJI Khanna refused to give a definite statement that the functioning of the courts would be online only. But he said that the lawyers will have the option to appear online. Yesterday, the Supreme Court issued a circular advising everyone to wear masks. On the judicial side, the court issued a direction that the GRAP 4 restrictions will continue even if the air quality index of Delhi falls below 450. The Madras High Court has restrained the Hindu from presenting Sangeeta Kalanidhi Award in the name of M. Subbulakshmi to musician T.M. Krishna. The Sangeeta Kalanidhi MS Subbulakshmi Award, established by the Hindu group to honor the late singer, is presented annually alongside the Sangeeta Kalanidhi title by the Music Academy. This year, both awards were conferred on T.M. Krishna for his exceptional contributions to music. Subbulakshmi's grandson V. Srinivasan challenged this decision in the Madras High Court, alleging that Krishna had made derogatory remarks about Subbulakshmi on social media, undermining her achievements by attributing them to Brahmanism. He argued that awarding Krishna, who questioned the late singer's credibility in Carnatic music, was inappropriate and likened to giving a Bhakti award to an atheist. Srinivasan also pointed out that Subbulakshmi's 1997 will explicitly stated that no trust, foundation or memorial should be created in her name, making this award against her wishes. The Madras High Court has said that the Sangeeta Kalanidhi Award and cash prize can be granted to T.M. Krishna, but not in the name of M.S. Subbulakshmi. Justice G. Jayachandran passed the interim order saying that the conferment of the award was against her wish and mandate. While dismissing an application filed by the Music Academy challenging the suit moved by the grandson, the court also noted that Srinivasan, Subbulakshmi's grandson, had the locus to maintain the suit since he was a beneficiary of her will. A special court in Pune today ordered Congress leader Rahul Gandhi to remain present before it on 2nd December to attend the proceedings of a defamation complaint filed against him for allegedly defaming late right-wing leader Vinayak Savarkar. The defamation complaint filed by Savarkar's grandson asserts that Gandhi has repeatedly defamed Savarkar on various occasions over the years. One specific incident has been highlighted, which is of March 2023, when Gandhi addressed the Overseas Congress in the United Kingdom. In the month of October, the MP-MLA court had issued summons to Gandhi to appear before the court personally so as to answer the charge of defamation under the Indian Penal Code. But Gandhi was not in court. His counsel advocate Milind Pawar informed the court that Gandhi, being a member of parliament from Rai Bareli, Uttar Pradesh, and the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, has been busy campaigning across the country due to ongoing state elections over the past 2 months. He assured that Gandhi would appear in person at the next hearing. The judge therefore adjourned the matter till 2nd December with a clear directive to Gandhi to appear before it personally. The Madras High Court has suggested bringing in a statutory body to regulate the affairs of the church and church properties similar to charitable endowments of Hindus and Muslims. The court was hearing a plea against a bishop's decision staying his appointment as secretary correspondent of an autonomous Christian college, wherein the bishop had appointed himself as correspondent in charge. Justice N. Satish Kumar noted that matters of trustees, charities, and religious endowments and religious institutions fall under the concurrent list, and thus there was no bar for the central government or the state government to bring in a legislation to this effect. The court added that a statutory board could be established to make the institutions more accountable and to regulate their affairs. The court also noted that while charitable endowments of Hindus and Muslims are subject to statutory regulation, however, no such comprehensive regulation exists for endowments of Christians. The only scrutiny over the affairs of these institutions is by way of a suit under Section 92 of the Civil Procedure Code. The court thus suo moto impleaded the Ministry of Home Affairs, Union of India, and the Chief Secretary to Government of State of Tamil Nadu to explain their stand in this regard. Moving ahead in the matter concerning retired Justice Ranjit Singh's plea against ex-Shiromani Akali Dal Chief Sukhbir Singh Badal and ex-Punjab MLA Bikram Singh Majithia for allegedly bringing disrepute to the commission headed by him to probe incidents of sacrilege in Punjab, the Supreme Court today suggested that the parties attempt resolving the dispute amongst themselves. Justice Singh led a commission established by the then Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh to investigate incidents of sacrilege and police firing in Punjab between June 2015 and March 2017. The commission's report held Dera Sacha Sauda and its followers responsible for the theft and desecration of the Guru Granth Sahib in Faridkot and blamed Akali Dal leader Prakash Singh Badal for police action against the anti-sacrilege protesters. Then in August 2018, Badal accused Justice Singh of lacking legal qualifications and fabricating evidence in the report. Shortly after, Akali Dal leaders including Bikram Majithia held a protest outside the Punjab Assembly mocking the commission's findings. A bench of Justices M.M. Sundaresh and Arvind Kumar asked senior advocate Puneet Bali, who was appearing for the respondents, that is Badal and Majithia, to take instructions as to whether they are inclined to express remorse to Justice Singh. Senior advocate Nidhesh Gupta, appearing for Justice Singh, was asked, on the other hand, to find out if the expression of such remorse or apology by the respondents was acceptable to the retired judge. Ultimately, the matter was adjourned for 2 weeks to enable the senior counsels to obtain instructions from their clients. And lastly, Justice Amit Bansal of the Delhi High Court has issued summons after Asian News International, that is ANI, filed a copyright infringement suit against OpenAI, the founder of ChatGPT, for unauthorized use of its news content. An amicus curiae has been appointed for assisting the court with the technological complexities and copyright issues. OpenAI is an American AI company co-founded by Sam Altman and Elon Musk in the year 2015. They are the creators of generative AI chatbot ChatGPT. This is the first lawsuit in India against OpenAI. Advocate Siddhant Kumar, representing ANI, stated that ChatGPT accesses ANI's news content to train its language model for responding to user queries on a real-time basis. He further argued that it was a copyright infringement as the data was collected and stored within its large language model, finally stating that mere public availability of such content does not give them rights to copy the same. Advocate Amidst, representing OpenAI, contended that there is no cause for a case against OpenAI in India as it has no operational servers in the country. He further added that no injunction orders have been issued in 2 years of its existence, despite facing 13 lawsuits in the US, 2 in Canada and 1 in Germany. It is further stated that it does not operate out of any office in India and neither does it reproduce ANI's material in the country. He also mentioned that companies can add certain websites to ChatGPT's block list to prevent them from being accessed by the AI chatbot. The court has listed the matter for further hearing in January 2025, citing the complexity and the need for detailed hearing, and it refrained from passing any interim order. For more details on the cases mentioned here, you can visit our website at www.livelaw.in. Stay ahead with quick legal updates only on Live Law. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. You can support us by donating through the thanks button at the bottom of our videos or by becoming a member for just 89 rupees per month.